Good afternoon. This is Benji Chidoro, and today is September 7, 2020 at 1:12 p.m. And today I will be giving you a summary of what happened in the PSEI, the most active stocks, and those which advanced. So the PSEI is at 59.35, almost 59.36, and it's a solid green candlestick. It's the third day that this has the PSEI finished above the opening price. So it started last Thursday, then Friday a little, then today the index finished 2.61% higher than the previous close. So let's take a look at the most active stocks. Excuse me. Take a look at ADI. Okay. Ali also finished strong with a solid green candlestick, the second day that it has a green candlestick, and it finished 1.8 points higher than the previous close at 6.38. Okay, it was previously sitting at a support level, so it moved up to at the 30 peso level, and the next level that I see, if it continues to move upwards, is at the area of 3160 to 3170. That is the next resistance, because there was a support. I see a support here, and there is a resistance here, so I see a resistance or next resistance at the 31.6 level. So let's take a look at another stock, Ayala Corp. Ayala Corp also finished with a green candlestick, but it's not much. No, it's just about 1.7% higher, or 12 points. So it opened at 690, closed at 1202. It's still below the our indicators, the M20, and the stock is still, the RSI is still at 43, which is bearish, and Benyus ba si Ayala Corp? Wala. Ganun. Okay, so it's still sitting at a support level. So if you haven't entered, it is a good opportunity to enter at this point. Okay, so strong ang ano niya dito. Ang support niya is nag-hold yung support dito. So ito Friday, Thursday, and since Wednesday, it has been trading at this level at 689 to 700. So, okay, wait and see muna tayo. No? Pwedeng wait and see muna. And if you see another green candlestick, so it's a good sign that it's moving upwards. Okay? Let's take a look at another one. ICT. ICT. Si ICT naman, wait lang. Okay, so ICT is moving, it's consolidating from a small red candlestick last Friday. It finished higher, 1.83% higher, or 1.9 points. No? So it is just the MA20 line is just piercing the candlestick. So there is a sign of bullishness since RSI is above 50. It's 55.12. So moving sideways right now. Take a look at another. SMPH. Ito lang. SM Prime. SMPH. Oops, nag-bounce. Malakas yung bounce ni SMPH. So, it's now at a support level. So, it opened at 28, which is the support area, and finished at 28.85. So, it's 3.22%. But it's still below the EMA 20 line. So, I would say that we are still in the support level. So, if we have green candlestick tomorrow, it's a good opportunity to get in the stock. Okay? Just make sure that you have your stop loss ready kasi investing in the stock market, meron tayong risk. No? Sometimes the movement of the stock is not what we expected to. Okay? So kailangan may risk management po tayo pagka sa stock market. But in my view, no, since this is a strong red candlestick, huwag sana mag-profit taking. And hopefully this will be, well, the candlestick might be another green one tomorrow kung hindi mag-profit taking. Take a look at another one. 1, 2, 3, 4. GTCAP. First time kong titingnan tong GTCAP. GTCAP, okay, still below the EMA 20 line, and it is in the support area. Pero kung titignan natin yung trend ng GTCAP, since below pa siya sa EMA 20, the trend is still downwards. But there is a green candlestick, and if there are signs of volume here, so baka nagkakaroon ng accumulation dito. So watch out lang kasi mas mahabang consolidation, mas matindi ang sipa or matindi ang upward push. Upward or downward push. Especially to yung orange line, which is the EMA 20, is still showing a downtrend. And the RSI is just close to oversold. Take a look at another one. Rojas. Mukhang walang volume to. 75 trades lang. 1.03 million. Let's take a look at another one. Eagle. Uy, maganda si Eagle. Maganda siya, ha? And take note, guys, that the candlestick is way above the EMA 20 line, meaning that the stock is bullish. It has been bullish the past week. 1, 2, 3, past 2 weeks. So if you were able to enter here, because the RSI here is at 53, but if you're able to enter here, congratulations. And here, may a small breakout. There's a small volume here. Tapos, dume-diretso siya na nag-breakout. So, nagkaroon siya ng increase in the price of the stock. And here, tumuloy na siya. But, take note na konti lang ang volume. So, just watch out. No, if you're entering here, please take note na baka magkaroon ng profit taking. But if you will take a look at the potential of the stock, meron pa siyang room to move upwards. But this is so far the largest increase, 11.13%. So congratulations kung nakapasok kayo dito. And still, kung nakabenta kayo dito, and sometimes you want to lock in on your profits rather than rely on the stock being marked to market. If you feel that you've achieved your objective in your profit, then pwede na kayong mag-partially take profit or pwede kayo mag-out. It's actually your decision. Okay, let's take a look at another. Medyo matinding volume. APL. Apollo Global Capital. Maliit lang yung capitalization. But there appears to be a breakout here. May volume siya eh. 383 trades, 42 million. So hopefully mag-hold yung volume, ano? And the volume is 16.2 billion yung market cap. Medyo malaki rin yung volume niya. No? Pero ingat lang tayo, no? Dahil second liner to eh. Or third liner. Second or third liner, not sure. No? But this is a good sign that it will break out. So let's see tomorrow, no? Kasi before, walang volume yan. Walang volume siya. No? Tapos ngayon nagkaroon siya. No? But ingat lang tayo dito pagka pumasok tayo. Okay? Tapos na yung Ali, MI 80. Okay. Tingnan natin sa 80. This will be our last. Atlas Consolidated. Ito yung nagmamay ng gold. Pataas pa rin siya. No? And since this date, July 1, the stock has been moving steadily upwards above the EMA 20 line. And all our three indicators, it's all above our three indicators. Okay? So steady movement siya upwards. And now it's up 7.71%. So Atlas, minamay niyan is I think primarily it's gold eh, no? Tingnan na natin kung may trend. So it follows the price of gold, BMI. Yes, there is a trend. It's 60. Pagka yung directional movement index natin is over 30, then there is a solid trend upwards. So kahit na yung RSI ay tingin natin ay oversold, as long as there is a strong trend, it will remain here. Okay? The RSI most likely will remain up here and the trend will continue. Okay? Pero ingat lang tayo because as with stocks, our view may be wrong or our view kinabukasan eh magbago. Pero based on the chart, it's very strong. The stock is very strong. There's a strong uptrend. Okay? So, ano pa ba? Tingnan natin ng isa. Let's look at another. Tingnan natin si BDO. BDO was sitting in support yesterday. And somehow, yeah. So, umakyat na si BDO. So, third day that it's a green candlestick. So, it's a good sign and it's above the EMA 20 line. So, it's a good sign that the stock is moving upwards. BDO is one of the more stable companies in the PSEI with a large market cap. Okay. So the next level that I see for BDO is here. This is the resistance, possible resistance that I see here, 93. Yan. Kung ma-break yung EMA 50, yan yung maganda. Dire-diretso na yan siguro. Yan. Kasi yung next level niya, nandito na, nasa 100 na eh. It's sitting at support here. Okay. So let's wrap up. So the PSEI finished in the green. It's a green solid candlestick, 2.61%. And the next level, hopefully, I see is here. Nasa 6,000 level. It will retest the 6,000 level here. Kasi may resistance dito eh. Okay, there's a resistance here. 6,000 level. Yan. Hindi pa yata yung na-draw kong line. So, if you have any comments, please drop me a line. If you want me to review a specific stuff that you have in mind, please drop in a comment and I will review it for you. But remember guys, investing in the stock market has its risk. My view is based on technical analysis and a little of fundamentals, and I may be wrong also. Okay? Kaya when you invest in the stock market, kailangan meron pong extra money po yung nilalagay natin dyan. And when you invest in a stock, make sure that you do your research on the stock first before you invest. Okay? So that's it for now. This is Benji Chodoro. Please subscribe to my channel. And bye for now.